Hey guys, if you're tired of guessing how much flour, coffee, or milk powder you're actually using, today we're counting down the top 5 best digital mini spoon scales under $30. Scales that are accurate, portable, and won't wreck your budget. Let's get started.
Product number 5.
Kicking things off at number 5, we've got this digital kitchen scale electric food scale. And for just $15, it's one of the most reliable everyday picks on this entire list. It switches instantly between ounces and grams, so whether you're following a US recipe or a metric one, you're covered without any guesswork or awkward conversions. The slim, space-saving design means it tucks away easily in even the smallest kitchen drawer, which makes it perfect for apartments, dorms, or any kitchen where counter space is tight. It also has a tare function, so you can zero it out between ingredients, perfect for layering multiple items into one bowl without doing any math in your head, which is a huge time saver when you're baking or meal prepping several ingredients back to back. Powered by a replaceable battery, this scale keeps going long after cheaper built-in battery models die out for good, so you're not stuck replacing the whole unit down the line. Just swap the battery and keep going. And the smooth, flat surface wipes clean in seconds, so it's ready for your next recipe right away with no scrubbing required. For anyone who just wants an accurate, no-fuss scale that handles everyday cooking and baking without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic starting point. Simple, reliable, and budget-friendly. That's exactly why it earns its spot at number 5 on our list today.
Product number 4.
Moving up to number 4, this high-precision LED digital kitchen scale brings serious accuracy to the table, down to 0.01 grams, with a full 10 kilogram capacity that most budget scales simply can't match. That means it handles everything from a tiny pinch of spice to a full batch of bread dough without ever missing a beat. The bright LED display makes readings effortless even in a dim kitchen or early morning baking session, so you're never squinting at a faded screen. Its oval, lightweight shape makes it simple to store standing up or carry around the kitchen, and it fits comfortably next to your mixing bowls without hogging counter space. It's built from safe, non-toxic plastic, so there's no worry about food contact whatsoever, and it runs on standard battery power for consistent, reliable day-to-day use without needing to stay plugged in. Whether you're portioning ingredients for a recipe, weighing produce, or just double-checking a package label, the wide 10 kilogram range gives you room to grow into bigger projects. If you want serious precision without paying a premium price, this scale is a genuinely fantastic pick, and it earns its place at number 4.
Product number 3.
At number 3, we've got a scale built specifically with coffee lovers in mind. This 3 kilogram capacity scale measures down to 0.1 grams, giving you the exact accuracy that espresso and pour-over brewing demand, because in specialty coffee, even half a gram can change your entire cup. The built-in timer lets you track your brew time right alongside your dose, so there's no need to juggle a separate stopwatch while you're pouring. It's compact and portable enough to travel with, whether that's to work, a friend's place, or your next camping trip. It auto-tears between pours to keep every measurement accurate, and it even shuts off on its own to save battery when you're not using it. For coffee dosing precision at under $20, this scale is a genuinely serious contender for any home barista's setup.
Product number 2.
Taking the number 2 spot is this digital coffee weighing cup scale, and it's built like it means business. With 0.01 gram precision and a sturdy stainless steel build supporting up to 500 grams, it's made for espresso enthusiasts who want dead-on consistency in every single cup, shot after shot. That stainless steel construction isn't just for looks either. It resists corrosion and daily wear, So this scale is built to last through months, even years of regular use. The LED display stays crisp and easy to read even in low light, which matters if you're brewing early in the morning before the sun's up. It's completely battery powered, so you can set it up permanently at your home bar or toss it in a bag and take it wherever your coffee setup goes. No cords required. It's also made from food-safe, chemical-free materials, so it's just as safe for direct contact as it is precise in its measurements. If you're serious about your coffee dosing and want a scale that feels genuinely professional, this one nearly takes the crown on our list.
Product number 1.
And taking the number 1 spot, the Mini Spoon Scale Digital Kitchen Scale. This one's genuinely clever. It's a scoop and a scale built into a single compact tool, so there's no extra bowl or spoon needed at all, which means less cleanup and less clutter on your counter. With a wide 0.1 to 500 gram range, it's precise enough for delicate measurements like spices and coffee grounds, yet still big enough to handle a full serving of milk powder or protein powder in one scoop. The bright LCD display makes portion control effortless, so you can dial in the exact amount every single time without any guesswork. Its slim, foldable shape means it stores flat in any drawer or slips easily into a travel bag, making it just as useful on the go as it is at home. Whether it's your morning coffee, a protein shake, or a baking ingredient that needs to be exact, this all-in-one spoon and scale design is exactly why it takes the top spot on our list today. And that wraps up our top 5 best digital mini spoon scales under $30. Whether you go with the compact spoon scale at number 1 or the precision coffee scale at number 2, all 5 links are down in the description at dealshop.lovable.app. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more budget kitchen finds, and I'll see you in the next one.